Hey, what's up guys? This is Harshit Goel 96 and this is my performance for the 12 of clubs competition number 6. Here I have a Jumbo Index bicycle standard playing cards, and it's a completely random deck. It's completely shuffled, as you can see. Okay, now I'll just give it a couple of cuts and just say stop whenever you want. Next, over here. Okay, now we have 2 of clubs. Now I'll take this 2 of clubs and place it somewhere in the middle of the deck. Now to make sure the card is completely lost, I'll give it a dribble. Okay. Now when I'll click my finger, the 2 of clubs should jump back on the top. And like so, we have, oh, it's 9 of spades, it's not 2 of clubs. Oh, well, this can be fixed. I'll place this 9 of spades over here for a while. Alright, now that's another try. We have 2 of, oh, it's 4 of clubs, not 2 of clubs. I'll again messed up. Well, is it on the second to top? Oh, it's not anywhere near to the top. Okay, let's say at the bottom, not even close. Well, this means the card is still somewhere in the middle of the deck. Now I have to force it out from the middle. Now let's try this. And we have a card jumping out from the middle. And that card is, you won't believe what card it is. It is 9 of spades. Well, if 9 of spades is here, what card is lying over here? We have 2 of clubs. I hope you like it. Please comment, rate and subscribe.